Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to update the software on your Android device. Keeping your Android software up to date ensures better performance, security and new features. Let me know you how to update it step by step. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Your one subscribe motivates me a lot. First of all, open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find it by swiping down on your home screen and tapping the gear icon. And here you have to search Software Update. Click on it. And your system will now check for any update if it's available or not. If an update is available, you will see a message that says download and install. Then you have to tap on it and install it. And that's all about the guide on how to update your Android software. I hope this helps you keep your device running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.